how to get a refund from PlayStation Store after a wrong purchase. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your PlayStation.com. Then from here, simply tap on the menu bar on the top left corner, tap on support, and in here what you're going to do is simply tap on store, right? Because it is the issue regarding your store. You can tap on store, and then in here you'll need to tap on purchases and PS store. So if you simply tap on that one, you can actually select the option, or else you can simply tap on refund too. So let's just tap on refund for now, and then you can actually tap on option requesting a PS store refund. Tap on that one, and then in here you can actually go to this option right here, and in here you'll need to open your transaction history and select the eligible transaction it says. So what you're going to do is simply get into your account, PlayStation account, and in there you need to get into your transaction history, and then you need to select your eligible transaction, and then from there you will be able to request a refund to PSN wallet or original payment method. So you'll need to, like I said, get into this option, and then from there you can actually request a refund. I'm pretty sure you'll be able to get that refund from PlayStation.